Dr. Jeff DIY here. My house was infested with ants. And if you're in the same boat, you probably wish you could just wave a magic wand and make them all go away. Bonus points for flames. Well, I don't have a magic wand, but I do have a secret weapon, Savitri ant gel. And it worked. Here's the before situation, and here's the after. Let me give you an overview of the infestation I had in my kitchen. These ants were all over the floor, and they were on the countertops too. Here I'm just showing you their trail going across my washing machine and my refrigerator and past the pantry. So here I am showing you how to get the Savitri ready. It's pretty simple. You just take off the blue cap and then apply the applicator and put the plunger in the bottom. You want to try to find where the ants are active. Here's how I'm showing you to treat a trail. The instructions say to do a 1/8 inch thick by 2 inch long strip of gel. Watch how fast this works. 10 seconds later and they're already lining up. Wow, they just love it. You should also look for the entry points where the ants are coming into the house. Here they are in this crack. I'm putting some extra gel there. The instructions have a handy guide so you know about how much you should apply in the different scenarios. Here's another entry point, sped up a little bit. You can see they were going crazy over here. You can also do little dots. It's important to locate the origin of the ants, so I went outside and looked around the foundation, and here I found what I believe to be a nest. This is a really important area to treat. They look like they were going in through that crack as well. So you stick the applicator syringe down into the entry and fill it up with some gel. You're supposed to do 2 grams for a nest, and I'm just trying to estimate. I might have done a little extra. Here I found that I could push the syringe in, and that looked to be an entry point as well. Fill it up. This is really the key to find these entry points, because they bring the poison back to the nest and poison the rest of the colony. Look at the side of the house here. This was an entry point into one of the bedrooms. I also want to point out, I'm not sponsored by Savitri. I paid for this myself. One day after I treated, things were looking better, but as you can see, there's still a trail of ants, just not quite as many. They're not going crazy around this corner either. So we're making progress. I went back outside and looked for some more areas to treat, like that red circle. Just an FYI, if you do put the Savitri on bare concrete, it's going to leave a wet spot look. It's important to follow the trail of the ants to try to locate their nest and find that nest and put the poison in there. That's really the key. I did that again in all the areas to make sure I got the points. Here you go, right in that red circle. Bam! Put it in there. Eat it up, guys. I put some little pieces of cardboard on the countertop just to be sure that I wouldn't stain that. And after 2 treatments, there's just this lone straggler up here. But otherwise, things are looking great, really cleared up. Here's a look down at the floor. Remember how it was earlier? They're pretty much gone. Just that one dude there. Maybe a couple other little stragglers. There's a few dead bodies there too, not moving. But as you can see, this stuff really worked. Look out for that white spot there. That was actually from a taro ant trap gel that had spilled over. Here's another one. Those things can stain. When you're done, you can just recap the bottle and use it again later. Pretty simple. Here's some instructions that come with the package that you can read in slow-mo if you need to. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button. Consider subscribing. This is Dr. Jeff DIY. I'll see you the next time something needs to get done.